You might be knowing the frustration of building an AI agent for WhatsApp where you have to get different API keys, business account IDs, and all sort of things just to connect a simple AI agent to WhatsApp. I believe you are just playing it the hard way, where I'll be just guiding you through how you can build a powerful AI agent just for WhatsApp, and that too in less than 5 minutes, where it requires no code, no complicated IDs, and uses simple forms and just simple clicks just to get that. So here's the Agentive Hub website. And if you don't know about it, then you can watch one of my last videos. I'll drop a link below. And rest, the process that I'm going to explain is just same enough if you even use chat base. Yeah. So the process is just same enough for Chatbase and Agentive Hub, where I'm just showing this in Agentive because I have just used it before, and the process is just the same. I'll just give you a brief idea about how you can create an agent, where I'll just edit an agent. And in this agent, you can see that I have given a prompt, and you can just type in the prompt that you want and what the different things it can perform. And all sort of things. Also have given a knowledge base where you just need to create a knowledge base and upload the file for your company knowledge. And later in my further videos, I'll be showing you how you can connect tools where the same process goes around for the chat base also. So here, now I'll just do it back to the live version. I'll just show you how you can just connect a WhatsApp to the AI agent in the simplest manner possible. Now I'll just try to deploy it, and as you can see, we can deploy it to many other different platforms. Currently, I'm just showing for the WhatsApp. We'll just connect to WhatsApp. So as I've already signed up with Facebook, you just need to sign up your Facebook account already on the browser, and you can just select that one. I'll just continue with mine. I'll just get started. And the moment you come in, you just have to create a business portfolio account where it will just creating a business account for Meta so that you can use it across different platforms too. Where I've just given it my Apex. You just need to type in your business account details like business name, the business website, and also they will ask for the business email so that they can verify it's you, the owner, who is trying to create a business account in Meta for your business. And rest you can just turn on insights for your business. I just turned it off, and we'll just click next. And here again, you just have to choose from the creating a WhatsApp business account and creating a new business profile. And you just have to click next, and you just need to provide with the WhatsApp business account name and just make sure that it's similar to your business, because I guess once you have created, you cannot change it, and you would have to delete it, delete it to change it again. So here you just provide with the categories and fill out this information, and when you click next, it's the same thing. You'll be just getting a similar sort of thing here, and next you'll be getting a account name and business. You just have to choose the display name, and I'll just choose currently for others in the category. Is the same thing. You can just get a free WhatsApp number, or you can just add your own number, where I'll just try to get a WhatsApp number, free WhatsApp number for mine, where I had a WhatsApp number but I deleted it so that I can show you the process. So now it's loading up, and I just confirm this. Okay, so this has been verified. Now you are able to chat with the WhatsApp on this number. This has been given out, and you just have to, you can add your payment method because you will be limited by the number of messages that you can send. And I guess this was my old number. Now I'll just take the new number, and I'll just also copy this one so that I can just add it to my WhatsApp. And once it's connected, the AI agent will be connected to your WhatsApp, and I'll just reduce the interval to 2 seconds. And here next I'll just connect it to my WhatsApp, and I'll just show you how you can chat with it. Here you can see I have my WhatsApp number registered on my WhatsApp, and I've saved it as a contact, and I'll just send a message up here, and the AI agent will revert back with a response right there. So this was all lit, and if you are a business owner, or an individual who would like to get AI agents or AI automation AI workflows implemented in their business, then you can just click the first link in my description below. From it, if you have found any value in this video, then I really appreciate you liking, subscribing, and sharing it along. So this was all it. I'll see you until next time.